Okay, another episode of Tips and Tricks. What I want to show you this week is how you sand. You have to sand your stuff where you clip it, or if you go like a little bit more detail and you chop off tops or whatever. There's a lot of sanding going on in our hobby. So what I have plenty of sanding sticks around all the time. I have some square ones, round ones in either size, and you also want to have some flat ones to come in every little spot, thin ones, all kind of sanding sticks. You even can go on one side, you have a heavy grit, on the other side a soft grit. They're very easy to make for yourself, and we'll show you how. And if like this one, if they are used, they are very easy to replace. So what you're gonna do is you get rid of the old one. Don't need that one anymore. So you can see here, usually before I had a 400 grit on it, then I changed it to a 320. I kind of like to write which grit I have, so I always know what kind of thing I use. So next thing that they do, you go in your hardware store and you buy one of those tapes they glue on both sides. Then put that down, you cut it, there you go. So it should look somewhat like this. Be sure it's really good on. Then you zip off the protection sheet. There you go. Then you have some 320 or whatever you prefer to use. Lay that down, and you guess it. You go ahead and lay that down as well. You do a little cut. One here. Look how far the glue is gone. And one here. And bada bing, bada boom, abracadabra and simsalabim and all those good things. There's your sanding stick. And like I said, you can have them on either side. You just use old piece of crap wood, or like stripes of metal, whatever you want to use. And this is easy to make yourself, and especially can do it in the size that you want. Now and then it's very tricky to come in little parts. It's always good to have some of those. This is the trick of this week.